Obila magoma Kisumu ne ondhiyo dichuo moro mano mabende osebed ka imanyo bang' ka video mare ne onere kor mbui ka oyiecho omenda go mago mag Kenya. Apisas maka BFIU kata Bank Fraud Investigation Unit ne omanyo achich Maximilian Montari mano mabende wachore ni jahiga 23 ma oyude kar dak mano ma Mamboleo eka ne gindhiye.
Who was seen tearing our Kenya currency, notes of 100 Kenya shillings and 200 shillings, tearing and destroying in social media. Our officers from the Banking Fraud Investigation Unit moved with speed, and we were able to arrest one person by the name Maximilian Montari Nyakwaya, whom was positively identified as the person seen in the social media tearing and destroying our currencies. Right now, he's in our custody, and we are arraigning him in court tomorrow morning for the offense of destroying and tearing our Kenya currencies. Yeah, I want to make a call to our members of the public that it's a criminal offense to destroy our treasures, national treasures, in terms of the currencies, be it 20 shillings and so on. It's a criminal offense. We want to advise them that let's abstain from doing such heinous act.